Hey, Chris. So hopefully I can show you how to set up the sensor. So I'm just in my test smart valve. You can see I've got a job set up here, which is a turn to close on this job. Obviously I've just come back home. Just wait for the screen to refresh. So you can see the turn to close set up here. I'm going to use that, and hopefully once I've connected the sensor, I'll show you how easy it is just to flick between the two things. Obviously wait for my smart valve to update. So first of all, you have to set your sensor up. So if you turn on the width sensor, it should flash like 1, 2, 3 green flashes. That means it's in pairing mode. If you go to settings, you'll see there's a sensors setting here now. If we manage these, I'm going to add a new sensor and start scanning. So because it's low energy Bluetooth, it's going to pick up loads of stuff, but the one that you want is this WT901BLE67, so that will always start with WT. Now the problem is, if you're doing this, you need to not do it with other sensors in the room, else you'll pick up all of those and you won't know which ones is yours. But once it's paired. So I've done that now, and if I just close that down, if I go into manage, you can see that it's now connected. So that is there as my connected sensor. So if you just leave your sensor, it'll go off Bluetooth pairing mode once it's paired, and it'll just have a single green flash on it now. So I need to go back now and go back to the home screen, and I can pick up my jobs. So here I'm going to look at this turn to close, and hopefully if I've done it correct, I'll be able to pick the sensor rather than the phone. So we're going to start the task. Okay, that was me pressing it twice because I'm too trigger happy. Okay, so now you can see I've got device, or I've got Bluetooth low energy. So we pick Bluetooth low energy, auto select, and that will then pick up the paired sensor. Okay, so hopefully you've got that. You can run back through the video. So that's now the sensor that I'm using, but it's Bluetooth low energy on the sensor type. From the drop down, we've got device look, Bluetooth low energy, and Bluetooth. So I'll pick Bluetooth low energy. Auto select will pick the one that you've paired. So if you didn't press auto select, then you press the select button, it's going to scan and it will list all those sensors again. But once it's paired, so you're ready to go, and then you can go through and do your turn and check everything in pre-flight, etc. Okay, hope that's clear for you. So if there's any problems, just give us a shout back, but that's how you connect the sensor to the phone.